What's up with those hiccups?
I don't know. Now they're not going away.
Boo!
Crap, why aren't they going away?
Satan, release your grasp from this man!
Hey, I can't sleep. I don't want to live like this. I need you to kill me.
Quagmire, I can't do that.
Please, I'm begging you.
That's what you really want. I'll do it.
Daddy's going away for a while. Ow! Oh my God, Kitty, you did it!
You okay back there?
Why do you care if you're just gonna kill me anyway?
Jeez, we're still friends. Ugh. Hey, you gotta frickin' watch where you're going, man. Chris?
I stole your car and went on a joyride.
I am very disappointed in you, and we will talk about this after I kill my best friend.